India Kitchen Congress Award.
Ash Lohia, Managing Director, Merino Industries.
Thank you very much. I feel highly honored.
And also thank Skill India.
Thanks IKC for organizing conferences today.
I would also like to thank our industry partners.
Today, I'm brimming with.
Thank you, Samir bhai, for your vision.
Name of the winner for IKC.
Humility, I accept this on behalf of my
Kitchen Design Collaboration.
to announce the
Great indeed. Thank you, Architect Pony.
I'd like to dedicate.
Next category of awards is the Innovative Kitchen Product Award Appliances 2020 category. The award recognizes the most innovative kitchen appliance introduced in the Indian market in 2019. We have with us Mr. Shrikant Iyer, the founder of Home Lane. Mr. Iyer, thank you so much for joining us. Before you announce the name of the winners, I just wanted to understand, what do you think is the importance of innovation when it comes to home appliances for kitchens?
Yeah, thanks Deepak from IKC and thanks Anisha for having me. Pleasure to be here. I hope everybody is safe and healthy during these times. I think, I don't know, actually, coincidentally, I read an article today morning in the news saying that from a share of spend perspective, there are 4 or 5 things which have obviously gone significantly higher than normal. For example, immunity booster is one product, obviously not connected to this event, but immunity booster is one product which all of us have started buying, which we had never thought of buying earlier, right? So, but the same way, one of the categories where the spend has gone significantly higher in the last 120 days is appliances. So I think it's a very, very up and coming category. It's grown by hundreds of percent in the COVID times and is set to grow even more. I think innovation in that is extremely important. I'm sure we all know that all of us are spending lots more time in the kitchen nowadays, and we are beginning to appreciate the use of the appliances a little bit more than we used to before, let's say, February 2020. So I think if we, bringing innovation into the appliance category is an absolute must, and especially if you want to really grow and get a share of wallet. Even from a total kitchen share perspective, the appliances spend has increased significantly in the last 4 months, at least for us, and I'm sure it's for the industry too. So it's a very, very important category where we can showcase a real convenience to the customer. This is really where the rubber hits the road, where these are the things that customers actually use to make their life easier. So appliance to me is one of the most critical categories.
Right. Very rightly said, Mr. Iyer. I would request you to please announce the name of the winner in this category.
Yeah, so the IKC Innovative Kitchen Product Appliances 2020, the winner is BSH Household Appliances Manufacturing Private Limited for its Siemens venting cooktop. So congratulations to BSH Household Appliances, well done. I hope you sell many, many more and innovate lots more in the appliances going forward. Congratulations.
Congratulations to BSH Household, and we have Imelda Philip of the company with us. We'd request Imelda to please address the audience.
Thank you, Anisha, and thank you, Mr. Iyer. I think you have penned it very, very absolutely beautifully. Everything that I would have wanted to say of why innovation is important, especially in the appliances industry. In fact, it's thanks to IKC for recognizing all our efforts. Siemens Home Appliances has been in India for almost 22 years now, and we've been a pioneer when it comes to innovation and technology. We are Europe's #1 brand in kitchen appliances. So to be recognized on an Indian platform, it's an absolute honor and delight. For us, actually, listening to the pulse of the customer has always been the key to trying and understanding what does exactly the customer need. And essentially, the genesis of this whole idea of venting cooktop, if time permits, I will try and showcase a video also of what exactly this product is all about, came from the fact that, as Mr. Iyer absolutely beautifully put in, that especially during these times when everybody's under lockdown and using their appliances and interacting with their appliances much more, they understand the utility and the user interface per se. And that is why the one key user need we identified was having a seamless kitchen. People kept on saying that I want my kitchen not to be somewhere at the end of my house, but an extension of my living room. I wanted to be an open space, and that was a pain area because you had those chimneys hanging from top of your head, and that's how we came up with this idea of where your cooktop and your chimney is all integrated into one cooktop surface. That's how the venting cooktop per se came into, the whole idea was born, and we were able to, with a lot of research and efforts, we've brought into, and it's a delight to be recognized in this category. I would just quickly take you through a video of the product. If you can just see the screen.
Rise to a new level of inspiration with the Siemens induction air system that combines two outstanding appliances, an intuitive cooktop with flex induction and an integrated ventilation. Realize your kitchen just as you want it. The induction air system offers you a compact design and an exceptionally space-saving solution. Your drawers can still be built into the lower cabinet so you can store all your cookware, regardless of whether you decide for an induction air system with exhaust or with recirculation mode. Enjoy a maximum of flexibility thanks to the cooktop with flex induction. Your cooktop is perfectly ready for every type of cookware. With a dual light slider, you can intuitively operate your cooktop and combine the cooking zones just as you wish. These outstanding features are just one highly impressive part of the cooktop. The greatest innovation is the integrated ventilation that drafts down the steam before it even arises. The efficient IQ drive motor inside delivers a strong and quiet performance. And with the climate control sensor, the ventilation automatically switches on and adjusts the right amount of power to the upcoming steam. Combine two accomplished appliances and discover a whole new perspective on cooking. The new Siemens induction air system upgrades the cooking, downdrafts the steam.
Siemens, the future moving in.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you once again.